Hi Virgo, welcome to your daily love reading. My name is Pretty and I'll be doing your love reading today. So before we begin with your love reading, Virgo, please do remember to take what resonates and to leave behind whatever does not. Okay, so let's begin with your love reading, Virgo. Okay, so at the bottom of the deck, we have the Six of Cups. And this is water energy, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. So this is an energy of the past. This is someone who's feeling nostalgic. This could be someone from your past who wants to make a return to your life. They are reminiscing and thinking about the good times that you guys shared. So let's see. You have the Judgment card, Scorpio energy, the Three of Pentacles, Earth energy, and the Hanged Man, Pisces energy. So yeah, this is someone who wants a second chance. We also have the Judgment card, which is a card of second chances, a rebirth, a new beginning. They want to fix things with the Three of Pentacles. This is someone who's been waiting for the right opportunity. They have taken time to really reflect on what happened and even to see your perspective. This is someone who has gotten some level of enlightenment since you last dealt with them. Like, they're not the same person who they used to be. They are more spiritual, or they have a more self-awareness when it comes to the situation. So there's a more promising energy of change or, you know, transformation. So let's clarify these cards, Virgo. Okay, we have the Four of Pentacles in the reverse, and this is Earth energy. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn energy. So yeah, this is someone who wants to open up to you. This is someone who wants to be more generous, more giving where you're concerned. So we have the Six of Wands, fire energy, the Queen of Swords, air energy, and the King of Cups, water energy. So they really do still have a deep love for you. This is someone who sees you as someone worth changing or becoming a better person for, you know, worth putting in the effort for. They also are seeing you as someone who won't accept less. Like, they see you as this Queen of Swords, no nonsense type of energy. So they do want to show up as their best version for you because they see you as someone who inspires that in them. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out an oracle card for you, Virgo. Okay, we have meditate and contemplate. New moon in Pisces. Okay, we have playfulness. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Yeah, they want to bring back the innocence to this connection. With this meditate and contemplate energy, they've taken time to really reflect and to learn and to heal. Okay, we have love at first sight and proud spirit. When I saw you, I fell in love and you smiled because you knew. So this is someone who loves you. This is someone who's always loved you, and it's a feeling that never goes away. Like this is someone who's very sincere. There's almost like an unconditional love here. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out a card for your advice, Virgo. Okay, we have surrender to non-action. Now is the time to be still and not act. Simply breathe and focus on your own power. Let others come to you. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing for you, Virgo. I hope you have a really, really good day, Virgo. Bye, Virgo.